Hi everyone. So I'm Masilan from Sri Ranga Technologies. So I'm the owner of Sri Ranga Technologies. So who is manufacturing this cold press oil extracting machine. So I think so you have seen many videos of mine. So now I'm going to start the new machine trial. I'll show you the machine. So this is a new machine with the crane model. So this is a top, we have a crane. So this is a completely wooden machine we are manufacturing from Coimbatore. So only few manufacturers in Coimbatore and India, they are doing this type of machineries. So one of the leading manufacturer are Sri Ranga Technologies. So we are doing a business past 10 years, this machineries. So actually we have designed this machine for ladies and gents also can operate. Like mainly we have concentrated on ladies, like who's interested to start the business, like housewives or like anyone is interested to the business. So this is a suitable machine for doing a business. Actually when compared to the gents, ladies are very suitable for this type of machineries. We have designed our machine for ladies because you can see that this is an electric crane, so that can be operated by remote. So that can be operated by remote. So the lifting of the crushing part will be very easy. So the grinding also will be same like the grinder what we are using in the house. So the machine also will be looking like same. So this is an oral, that is an olakai. So we can put the crushing part inside the machine, and if you put the raw material, so the oil production it will be done automatically. Only for cleaning the cake we need a labor, so that can be done by ladies also. So mainly we have designed this model that can be operated by ladies. So because when compared to the gents, so ladies have a good capacity of doing this business, because they know, because the mainly this oil is used for cooking. So they know the quality of oil, like how to produce all that and how to maintain everything is can be managed by a lady. So actually we have designed this design very simple, so like normal person can also operate this machine. And the oil quality also will be good. So when compared to the gents, the ladies will take care of the oil quality, because they are the person who is doing the cooking everything in their house. So they know how important this oil is in cooking, so they'll take care of this oil quality. Because in gents, for business purpose, they'll be doing some other types of machine also available in the market for production oil, but they'll be concentrating only in the profit of the business. But when ladies are doing this business, definitely they will concentrate on the quality of the oil. So I am going to show this machine demo, full machine demo. I'm going to start now. So first we need to put this crushing part inside. So this is a completely wooden. So that's it. So we can move this side. This is a rotatable crane, so that can be rotated 360 degree. So now we need to connect this with that. That's it. So now we need to keep this hole straight. So now we need to just put this pin inside. That's it. So after tightening the springs, we need to tighten a little bit. So once it is tightened, then we can start the production. So it will be very easy for handling. Now we can put the raw material inside the machine and we can start the machine. So no need of any labor for operating. Only for cleaning the machine we need a labor. So at least 3 to 4 machine can be handled by one laborer. Like unusually if the labor want to work, they can handle up to 3 to 4 machines. Okay sir, thank you for watching this video. I'll in the next video I'll show you the demo video of this machine.